After warm sunshine for many of us yesterday, it is cloudier today and the outlook is cooler. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up. Good morning, Britain.
Monday, 3rd of June.
Lots of people enjoying the warmth, enjoying the sunshine, temperatures into the 20s. The rest of the week is cooler and cloudier with the return of some rain. So we are now in June. We will have the full May stats from the Met Office later, but provisionally, you may be surprised and shocked to hear that May will actually come out as one of the warmest Mays that we have ever recorded. That is because it was very mild by night and temperatures just a little above average by day, but there was more rainfall than normal and less sunshine than normal as well. And it looks like this week will continue with that trend. We have more cloudy skies coming. Today is one of sunny spells and scattered showers, and there'll be more showers as we head through the week with colder nights to come. And it will be cold enough tomorrow for even the return of some snow. Yes, I said the S word in June. Here's how it looks right now. It is largely fine and dry first thing this morning. We've got a lot more cloud around than we had yesterday, though. Yeah, Ed is already saying snow. We have a lot more cloud around than yesterday, so if you enjoyed the warmth and the sunshine, it will be in short supply. Scotland having more sunshine around today. Everyone else having these cloudy skies. Tomorrow is a fresh start to the day, and I'll give you a sneak peek then coming, Ed. These showers that move in across Scotland tomorrow will be cold enough to fall as snow across the highest of ground. And it's now June. Yeah.
How often does that happen?
It's not uncommon for us to have it across the highest of ground
in June,
in Scotland.
In meteorological summer.
It is. I mean, yes, like you said, we're now meteorological summer, but the cold air is never that far away. We still have 3 weeks to go until the solstice. That's our warmest time of the year. But yeah, it's been. Good morning to you. We are now in June. We leave behind May, and you may be surprised to hear that it was one of the warmest Mays that we have ever recorded in the UK. The full stats will be out later, but rainfall and sunshine were definitely, well, the sunshine was below average and the rainfall was above average, and we stick with that theme as we head through the rest of this week.
Christmas didn't just come early to the Highlands, it came early to the whole of the country.
Yes. And as you said, so many people have been messaging in, remembering, I guess it was a pretty memorable day in June. In 1970, widespread snowfall through southern areas in June in 1975.
Right, a full weather forecast from you with our prospects of snow in a couple of minutes.
First of all,
welcome back to Good Morning Britain. We now have our first week of June ahead of us, but let's quick look back to May. The full stats out later, but it is likely that May will be one of the warmest Mays we have ever recorded. And that may be surprising to hear, largely because we had very mild nights. Rainfall was above average, sunshine below average, and that theme will continue for much of this week because high pressure. Good morning to you. The first week of meteorological summer is ahead of us, and we leave behind May, which you may be surprised to hear was one of the warmest on record. Full stats out later from the Met Office, but rainfall was above average and sunshine was below average. How about the next few days? Well, it is set to turn colder. A weather front moves in from the north tomorrow, a cold front, and it brings with it colder air. And yes, the rumours are true. It will be cold enough for some snow, but just across the tops of the Scottish mountains. And the rest of the week is pretty unsettled with fairly cloudy skies and increasing chance of seeing some showers with some chilly nights to come. How does it look right now? Well, fairly cloudy for much of England, Wales and Northern Ireland. Scotland starting off fine, dry and sunny. And actually, Scotland having the sunniest weather today. So here it stays fine and dry. Misty and murky for some western areas of England, Wales and Scotland. Northern England, North Wales, perhaps the odd light shower later on today. But for many of us, dry, not as warm as it was yesterday. It is worth pointing out for hay fever sufferers, we're now well into grass pollen season and it is high through southern areas of England and Wales.